Hello there. Let me show you how to set up your auto-publish. The auto-publish feature allows you to automatically publish reviews based on how many star ratings the reviews have. By default, the auto-publish feature is turned on once the app is installed, but it only publishes all 5-star reviews. To set up your auto-publish feature, follow these 4 steps. Step 1. From your dashboard, click on the Tools button from the left menu panel. Step 2. Choose Auto Publish from the drop-down menu. Step 3. From the Publish From drop-down menu from the left side of your dashboard, set the type of reviews you would want to publish automatically. Final step. Click on the Save button to save changes and have your new reviews auto-published based on the Publish Form option you selected. Note that you can also turn off the auto-publish feature if you do not want it at the moment.